Hey everyone, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I thought we would make a really fun stick vase. This is a really neat activity to do for outdoors. You can use it to hold a candle like that one, or you can add some flowers or some herbs, put it on the table. It's really fun to do. It just needs sticks from your yard and some twine or ribbon. And I have two ways that you can do it. You can either do it with a glue gun to attach the sticks or with a rubber band. So I'm going to show you both ways today. So what you'll need for this are some sticks from your yard cut to the size of your jar, some string, twine, or ribbon, and a mason jar so that you can wrap your sticks around them. So gather up your stuff and I will see you back in a minute. Okay, so you can find this activity in the printout for it in the August section of Kidfunideas.com, and it has all the directions on there. So to start, what you'll need to do is go to the backyard or wherever you can find some sticks and cut them all to about the size of your jar so that they all look about like this. And I usually say that you know you have about enough sticks when you've filled up the jar that you're going to use to hold them. So you can see that they're all about there. And I like to, you can use a ruler for this or just a piece of cardboard. I like to take it and measure up to the side of my jar like this, and then just use this as a marker and cut all my sticks to that size. So once you have that, what you're going to do, and I'm going to dump these out so it's easier. If you're able to use a glue gun, you can attach these sticks. Just laying a bead of glue, and you don't have to use the hot glue. You can use the glue that's not quite so hot. That usually has two settings: a cool setting and a hot setting. So you don't want to burn your fingers on this. And you just keep applying the sticks along the edge here, so that you have your sticks along the jar, covering and lining up the bottom, because you want the bottom to be flush down here so that your jar can stand steady. And you're just going to keep applying glue all the way around your jar. And if there's little gaps, you can fill in with tinier sticks like these ones here. So say there's a gap right there, you can just lay a bead of glue right there and lay a stick on top of it, and it'll be just okay. So you're just going to keep adding glue to your sticks and laying them onto your jar all the way around. Like this. Making sure that they're flush with the edge there. Another glue stick. And not all of them have to be the same size. You can notice that some of these sticks are really fat and some of them are much skinnier. One here. Just keep laying them in there and filling in. I'm using the cool setting on the glue gun so I don't burn my fingers. So once I finish this one, I will show you how to do this with a rubber band. So if you have younger kids and they still want to make this craft, they can easily make this craft with a large rubber band. And okay, so you can see that we're filling in along the side of our jar here. I'm just going to add a few more all the way around. So let me do that. Okay, so once you have all of your sticks covering all of the glass, you can add a ribbon to it, or you can add some twine. You can even braid the twine up like I did with this one and wrap it around your stick jar. You can either make a bow or you can just make a little, let's see, a little knot like this. And tie it around there like that. Okay. So now you have a really pretty little vase or candle holder. You can add one of these battery operated candles to it and make it a really pretty candle holder, or you could add some silk flowers or real flowers or herbs to it. It turns out really pretty. Okay, so say you don't want to do it with a glue gun. So to do it with a rubber band, what you will need is, still you will need the sticks, And I will show you how this one looks. You're just going to put your rubber band around your jar like you see here, and then you're just going to insert the sticks behind the rubber band in between there so that they stay in place. That way you won't have to worry about hot glue or any of that other stuff. It's a little trickier to get them to stay put, but it still works. And you just insert them just right in between the rubber band and the jar. And then the same thing, you can wrap it up with some twine like this, or a pretty ribbon. Just go around like that. And then you can tuck the ribbon right underneath the rubber band, and you won't have to worry about any other part of that. Just tuck it right underneath the rubber band, just like that. There you go. Okay, so now we have 2 different ways to make these cute little vases, and they really look great on a picnic table. So I hope you guys are able to make a stick vase today. It's a super fun craft and very easy to make. All right, till next time. See you later. Bye.